Yeah, we got. That's how I know. There's 2 people following me back here.
Alright. Hey, Cody, you got a copy?
Yeah, the flag's down by the tree. Understand, we're protecting the flag right now. Everything's secure.
Did you frag anybody yet there? Not yet? Okay.
Saving it.
Good idea. I would.
King of the hill.
Yeah.
I'd say.
My 2 babies.
There you go, man.
Watch your 3.
Let's not get too cocky and watch the perimeter. I see an orange vest down there, that must be where they are. Doug made me shoot him. Pointed at me, so I took it as a threat and shot him back.
I would. Watch your 3 there, buddy, in the skull mask.
Yeah.
3 would be over there.
You got a guy watching that.
We got one at noon. We got some at 12 at noon. 12, 1, 2, 3.
But how he was walking, he was facing.
Yeah.
12 o'clock was facing now, and 3 o'clock was the other way,
Okay.
off to his right. So.
Not very stealthy, was that? Okay, let's push him out. I know, it's badass that I only have a pistol.
Gas blowback too, buddy.
Pistol whip.
Yeah.
Oh, we can put pistol whip people. That'd be awesome, but I'm hard to finish.
They'd be up there by now if they were.
Three.
Take him out.
Just get him anyways, dude. little bit I can for probably.
Yeah. Move up. I think we're gonna finish this round.
All that, buddy. The plan.
Where's the spawn?
You'll see it probably more than likely here, guys.
This way, this way.
This way, man. It's like freaking Vietnam back in here, dude.
Yeah. An activity going behind us. That'll be fun out there.
That's the cliff edge there, so. What's up with them? Off to your right.
Not a tree. The flag. No, behind the tree.
Watch out for you. Tell me. Watch out for me. He's a blue guy down there standing somewhere.
Watch, watch, watch. Move. Hit the pack.
Not shooting, guys.
You said? Adam, just use it, dude. Let him get closer, boy. You might want to move up and cover Adam. He's got the grenade.
Yeah.
Dude, Adam, get the grenade out. Pull the pin, dude. That's all you gotta do. Pull the pin and throw that sucker quick. Hold it. Spray. Go, spray it, dude, spray. Ah, crap, dude, landed short, dude. There's another one gone. Dude, you hit the top of a tree and landed back towards the other way. Dude, just wind the mag. You dry? Oh crap. Dude, I'm filming here, man. Come on.
Took it right in the face, man.
Nice.
See, that's what they needed to be that close.
Call it!
Call your head. He got you clearly, man. He got you clearly. Dude, he got you first.
Oh, just play the game until they overrun you.
Cody, get up here, man. Come on. Come on, man.
No, they're cheating. Come on, guys.
Come on, they're cheating over there, man. They're cheating. Let's go. They're cheating. They're cheating, man. Come on.
It's out. Game over.
It's game over, guys. It's game over.
Wait, they're cheating? How are they cheating?
They're cheating. They're not even calling their hits. It's already been 8 minutes. Game over! Game over!
Put your gun down, man. Oh, I didn't hear the horn. Where's the horn?
We had 8 minutes, guys.
Oh, there's Todd.
Todd's back there, guys. Game over. It's game over, dude. Calm yourself. Just stop.
He got it. The horn.
He's fine, dude. He's fine. He had it like this. He was not gonna shoot you. He was not gonna shoot you.
Listen to me. Until that horn was blown, the game wasn't over. The horn blew, game's over.
Now it is.
Let's go.
Now it is, man. Just
Let's
keep
go.
it that like
Game's
that.
over.